The trimming process is a necessary step in the metal forming process for a majority of the parts we manufacture at Toledo Metal Spinning Company. It is used to remove burrs and excess material while smoothing out sharp edges. This additional step in the forming process helps to achieve the final shape of the part and prepares it for further processing. Removing burrs and softening sharp edges makes parts safer to handle and adds a clean finish. Deep-drawn parts like cups or domes are trimmed to remove excess material, ensuring a uniform shape and smooth, visually appealing edge. The trimming process can be automated or performed by a highly skilled metal spinner on a lathe using an insert or cutter to shear or shave off the edge so that it runs true. Trimming is also an important step before further forming. For example, to manufacture a sanitary hopper, the bottom of a standard hopper must be cut off, and then the sanitary fitting will be welded on. Another example is adding a flange or beaded edge to a part. Trimming first ensures that the form will be the right size, and the final shape meets your requirements and our quality standards. Do you have a metal forming project in mind? Contact us today!